Hey guys, welcome. Whatever. Anyway, I think I'm gonna change the way I do it. I'm not gonna do it like normal. Okay, so I'm in Iceland. This is Iceland. And I'm in the car with Nicole, but she doesn't want to be shown right now. But we just had this really good breakfast place next to the KEF airport. Super good, super yum.
Tell them what it's called, Jay.
It's called the Sigurd.
Show them the sign.
Sigurd Johnny's Bakery.
Show them the sign.
Okay, but first I have to flip it. It's super pretty here. We just got here though, so we just rented our car, we had breakfast, and now we're gonna go to Blue Lagoon. Okay. Guess where I am. So we made it to our first destination, which is Blue Lagoon, Iceland. No, I'm not getting my hair wet. Your hair is gonna get messed up. Yo, what are you doing? Don't make me laugh like that. I'm loud.
I was just going.
Yeah, like a starfish. You look dead. Someone's gonna rush in here. Is she okay?
Drag me.
Okay. It's ooh, look at that. Wait, hold on. The smoky. Foggy. We're gonna go get some masks. I'm just taking my friend for a walk here. Taking my friend for a float here. Oh my gosh, no, I have to flip the camera. Hold on. Oh. Nick. Oh, Nick. Oh my gosh. Nicole. This is it.
Are you recording?
Yeah. Okay, just wait. I should have put my... Oh, everybody better see my hairline. So do we just wash it off in the silica? You think my eyebrows will come off?
Do you think my pimples will come off?
I hope so. Soleil all day yesterday and tomorrow. This leaves your skin fresh and clear for all skin types. Hi, Nicole. This is the life. Hold on tight. And this is a dream. It's all I need. Never know where to find it. I'm still taking my time. Word to Hannah Montana. Hey, follow me. It ain't no problem. It ain't no problem. Huh? You can fast forward this. Yeah, that's true. And we can screenshot and take pictures. throwing it back, you guys can't tell. Okay, so we have to shower before and after you get out. But it's so funny because these doors don't lock at all. Yeah. Okay, so to update, we have been driving for an hour. Everything in Iceland is really far away, but we made it to a geyser, and then after this we're going to a waterfall. And yeah, the views are incredible, but the camera does not do it justice, like at all whatsoever. I personally think I might be getting jet lag, but who really knows? I don't. Iceland is also like a really quiet country, so I have to whisper everywhere I go. Can't stand out too much. Okay, so we're spending most of the day in the car and we're taking turns like taking a nap and driving. So that's not why I'm not vlogging that much today. But I will do better for the rest of the trip. Today's only day one. It's freezing. We pulled over, literally pulled over to go see those horses. They're not coming. Yay! That is horrifying. Oh, that just gave me so much anxiety. Oh, she's coming to you! She's coming to you! I can't breathe. Hi! I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Okay, so we've actually been on our way to this one waterfall for like an hour and a half, but we keep finding really cool stuff, so we just pull over to see it, and now we found a geyser because we've always been seeing them from a distance. Don't hit us, don't hit us, don't hit us. 80 to 100 degrees Celsius it does. I'm gonna flip the camera. Just now, I wonder how often it does. I feel like it's awesome. Oh, it's coming.
How do you know?
I hear her. She rumbled. Ah! Told you! Oops, scared me. Oh, wait, is it gonna be? Ooh, it's staying. Oh, look. Yes, oh my goodness, I see her. No. Hi, babies. Are you okay? Okay guys, we just had lunch. I will insert a video of what we had. Now we're at the cathedral. What'd you type in the GPS? What's the name of it? Huh? Okay, so we're at this place that starts with an H. And after this, we're gonna go night-night and take a nap. It's literally 8 o'clock, like 8:30 right now. Bright outside. It looks like it's 4 in the afternoon in Florida. Kind of crazy.